Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I come up with very interesting topic: how to update your NIN details by yourself. I repeat, with your mobile phone or your computer. You don't need to stress yourself, and it's very simple. So I go to update my own recently. To update my date of birth, they call 30,000 naira for me. That's the price that they can do it. They are even giving me terms that if I want to even make it fast, I should pay more. So something that you can, if you know the process, you can do it by yourself. So you guys should help me to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please. You can like the video if you find the video very important, and I believe you will like it, trust me. So first of all, you go to your browser by yourself with your phone or computer. I repeat, so you go to your browser. Me, I'm using Chrome right here. So you type REMITA. You can see when you type REMITA, you can see, click on the first one. You can see this is the portal, REMITA portal. So the step is very simple. If I can do it, you can do it. So the process is simple, and most of people that did this video, they just show how to make the payment, but they never show how to the next process after you make the payment, which is the thing will just even convince you like, I make the payment, you're expecting the payment to just make the changes. No, that's something that you need to do after that. So let's do it together. So you can see, once you come it, you can see a lot of options right here: buy airtime, buy data, you can buy electricity, cable, and a lot more. You can see this one that say pay TSA and state. You click on that one, that's where we are going. You can see it starts showing you state, but don't worry, go to the first one, Federal Government of Nigeria, which is FGN. You click on it. So here you find places in these boxes that you need to fill each. The first one, they say, who do you want to pay? So we are paying for national ID card. So if you type national ID, before you even finish, you can see it first, national identity management. So once you type it, you see the next one say name of service purpose. So for national identity, what do you want to pay for? You can see a lot of things that you can even do that we don't know that we can do it ourselves without stressing ourselves. So you come to your mind, like those people that are out of Nigeria, how did they used to? Some of them just do it like this, or pay some company to just bring it for them. That's what they do. So you can see here, regular service Africa, you can see a lot of things that you can do, refund fee, tender fee, a lot. You can see here correction of date of birth. This one, correction of date of birth, day, month, year, or all. So you click it, you can see the amount here, 15,000 naira. That is the amount that you are paying. They say 30k, to push it, you pay more to make it fast. Can you imagine? So you select your country, already is Nigeria. Nigeria is here. So you come to payer name, you put your name, and then phone number, the email address, double your email address. You tell them that you are not a robot. So we'll go through this, trust me. Let us go to for those that want to correct their name on their national ID cards, the name correction. You can see a lot of options here, but you come to the one that they say modification of any other field other than DOB per transaction. So you click on that one. The price is 500 naira. Don't let anyone cheat you. Now 500, except if you go make the payment with their card, you return to 600 and something, which is very cheap than those people that will just collect money for your hand anyhow. If you go to update name now, they will like 10,000, 12. So you put the name that you want correct here, and phone number and email address, and confirm the email. Tell them that you are not robot. So let's go to date of birth, because I believe that's the difficult one that a lot of people like. I would like to it. So let's go through the process and make the payments. Yo, date of birth, you check it, you can see correction of date of birth, this one. So click on it, then you compare name. So let me put my name. Put email address that you are using, that is is functioning so that you receive everything, because me, I like to even pay everything by myself. So tell them you are not a robot. Tell them you are not. I be a robot. You are not. Okay. They say I'm not a robot. No need even to take it, because they not say I'm a robot. Then you click submit. It will take you to this next step of making payments. So if some people want to pay with their ATM card, so you just put your ATM number, expiring date, and CCV number at the back of your ATM card and make the payment, which is 15,241 naira. But some will prefer to go bank so that they will make the payment for the slip. So the two different is, if you pay with your card, the slip will be sent to your email. You can save it here and go to cafe and print it 100 naira. And if you go to bank, let me do, for example, a select bank, you can see you can use USD code or bank branch. Select, don't even, all this internet banking REMITA will stress some people. A lot of people will stress them. Just don't pass this card and bank branch. I advise you guys to go for it, because some people, they are not into all this stuff, online payment mode. So you go, let's say bank branch, you prefer go paying in bank. If you select bank branch, you see your REMITA number, they will display it for you here, right here. You can see it here. But if let me screenshot this for myself. Okay, so if you prefer paying with your card like me, pay with my card. So let me fill the details. So once you put your details on your ATM card, so you can see it will identify the card that you're using, then you proceed the payment of 15,241 naira and 88 kobo. So let me pay the money. You can see it's loading right here. So step by step, you can see they want to send me an OTP code, which will be sent to my phone right now, the phone number that is linked to your bank, so that you don't have nobody will use your listing to be take any payment. You can see the code was sent to me. It's in my keyboard right now. I put it, is loading. You can see sign up saying they have deducted the money from my account. Payment has been done successfully. So let's view my receipt. You can see my receipt right here, the REMITA receipt. So I can print it inside my phone. You can see print right here with me. So this is my receipt. Let me print it to save it to my mobile phone, so that I will go and print it in cafe 100 naira to take it to their office. So you can see this step is very simple actually. I screenshot it for myself, so I can still print it. You can see print, you can see the slip right here, the paper. If I print it, this is how it will look like. Let me save it to my phone. Save. I'll rename it so that it do not stress me to find. Save it. So if I reach the office like this, I'll just give there. So after you're done the payment, you just come and print the way I say that you print the slip. So things that you need that they know used to tell people is, you are expected to print the following documents if you want to make the change on your NIN slip. So these are the documents that you need: the original copy of NIN slip issued to you, which is the NIN slip that you have, that you want to change the date of birth. If you don't have the NIN slip, you can print it. It's 1,000 naira. You go to those people, they can print it for you at 1,000 or 1,500. So if you have it, you take it with you. Then the second thing you need is printout of REMITA, the REMITA that you pay, that 15,000 that we just follow the steps to pay right now. The printout that I tell you that you can print it at cafe or at bank. At cafe is 100 naira to print it out. So the third one is application letter signed by you. The change you want to make on your data, reason must be stated. You tell them why you want to change the date of birth of your NIN. You just give them like the reason that you want to change. So from there, that's all. You carry it to their office, you submit it, they'll collect it very easily. If they see that you have done all, this is all the process that was needed before that. All those people will want to delay, them tell you that they want to make it fast for you, just to arrange these things for you. But this are the things that you need to do and submit. That's what your date of birth will change. And you can see it for those changing name. You can see what they say here. For change of name, you must present the following documents: SWOT affidavit, newspaper extract. Newspaper, I think, is 5,000. The SWOT affidavit is 1,015. Marriage certificate for ladies, for married ladies only. So, and then for change of address on your NIN, you must present the following. If you want to change address: utility bills, tenancy agreement, and bank statement, and then a community leader attestment. So for those that want to change their phone number, what they need, you can also update your phone number on your NIN data due to the loss or mechanical damage of previous. One must present the following: for change of phone number, or police report. That's it. And then for the level of education, you present the recent certificate obtained to them. Change of occupation, then you give offer letter from your employee. So you can see we have already followed the how much is NIN. Already have mentioned all this one. The cost of NIN correction of name is 500 naira on NIMS portals, but we will receive this one. You can see complain that some pay official collect 15,000 in Kaduna. Something that is 500, they collect 15,000. You see what I'm saying? Names correct date of birth. You can see they say 15,000 naira, but the names are the one complaining about is that we have received a complaint that an official of NIMS asked an application to bring 50,000 naira in one of the southeast states. Can you imagine? 50? Me, I'm complaining of 30,000 naira. This one they are saying 50k. Can you imagine? So the thing that they say at the last year is, now that you know all you need, now that you know all you need to make correction to your data, it seems to begin the process. Locate NIMS office near you with the requirement document, including the printout of REMITA retrieval reference, which is your REMITA number, the printout that we talk about. Request for data and modification and fill it. They will give you that form. Submit to an enrollment officer to duplicate check against the supporting documents to ensure everything is correct, which things that you provide. And application who cannot read or write should go to someone who will assist him, which is those that cannot read, they will go and find somebody that know how to read for them to help them to fill their form. Then fourth, your preferred information will be input on NIMS software by the enrollment officer, which is in the office. You'll be asked to double check the information you provide to avoid error. Your biometric will be captured, which is fingerprint. Then a transaction ID slip will be printed and given to you. You will have to submit the former NIN slip to the NIMS officer. You give them, come back to the NIMS officer for your NIN slip in 2 days or more. So then report back to NIMS office to collect a national identification number slip. Note: if the correction affects the information on your national ID card, replacement will be given you. While you are expected to submit all ID cards, will modify national ID cards will be issued to you within 3 months after issuing of NIN slip. Most time it could take up to a year. You see, for those that they have a lot of error on their NIN, so but it's not supposed to be more than 3 months. Some they, if you follow the step that I mentioned, 2 months highest, all your details will be updated. As far as you make the payment, you submit like this. all your details will be updated. You will not need to. But for those that have a lot of trash, you don't even have the enough details on your NIN or the slips. If you don't even have it and all of them, it will take time. But if you follow this step, trust me, very fast. You can see me too. I do the same thing. I make the payment. You see the video and everything here. So the list of the things that you need to carry to go there is the application letter telling them the reason why you want to update the date of birth, which is very short. You just explain to them that it's error. And the next thing is you need to carry your BVN. Your BVN will carry the date of birth that you want. Even though your date of birth on your BVN too need to be corrected, that one affidavit only, you carry it, go bank, they will update it for you in 3 days. So don't go there without updating that one, in case if your BVN date of birth is not correct, because that one will push them to do it very fast. So update the date of birth that in your BVN. If you know that it's not correct, set it exactly to the way you want it before you go there. So you carry your BVN details, then you carry your affidavit. Affidavit is 1,000 or 1,500. Go there, they will do it for you, telling them the correct date of birth that you have, and the one on your NIN, they want to correct for you. They will tell you what to do in that place, 1,500 or 1,000. So the sample is that. And then you carry your WAEC result or NECO. WAEC or NECO, any one of them you carry. The reason for that is that even though you're university, there is a document you can carry, so that they will see the date of birth that is there, because that's what you want. So it's for investigation. And then the reason why it's taking time sometimes, they have to investigate and check properly that all these things that you want to change, is it truth or wrong? You understand? That's why it's taking 2 months. Something that's supposed to do in 7 days take 2 months or 1 month plus, or 3 months where they say it. So you carry those details and go there. You know the things. The reason you carry one affidavit, the way I say it, you carry WAEC or NECO results or any of your university documents, then you carry your BVN. So because those ones are showing the date of birth that you have. So if you go there, trust me, they will change it for you. And this date of birth issue is something that they will always only change it once only. So you have to be very careful. Once after you make that correction, you cannot update your NIN details. So